Hello people, welcome back to OfficeCraft Pro. You have mastered the basics. Now it's time to unlock Pro mode. Today we are building a high-level registration system. We are going to learn how to force clean data with validation, create personalized paths with logic branching, and even limit our seats automatically using add-ons. If you want your forms to work like a full-time assistant, this is the video for you. Let's level up. The first step to a professional form is clean data. We are asking for a WhatsApp number, but we don't want people typing letters here. Click the three dots and select Response Validation. We'll set this to number and is number. I'm also adding a custom error message. Please enter digits only. Next, for the email address, we do the same. Set it to text and email. Now, if someone makes a typo, the form literally won't let them submit until it's fixed. This is how you ensure your database stays perfect from day one. Now for the brain of our form, we have two tracks, creative design and data analytics. We don't want to show design questions to data people. First, click the Add section icon to create separate areas. Now on a track selection question, click the three dots and select Go to section based on answer. If they pick creative, we send them to section 2. If they pick data, they go to section 3. Watch how this looks in the preview. The form feels short, smart, and personalized. You're not wasting their time, and that's what a pro does. Let's automate this quiz. Go to Settings and toggle on Make this a quiz. Back in the form, we add a qualifying question. Which tool is best for live data syncing? Click Answer key, select Google Sheets and give it 10 points. I'm also adding answer feedback. If they get it wrong, they get a link to our basics video. If they get it right, they get a welcome to the VIP team message. The form is now grading your students while you sleep. Finally, we only have 5 seats for this masterclass. Instead of checking the form every hour to close it, we use an add-on. Click the puzzle icon and open formLimiter. We'll set the limit type to number of form responses and set it to 5. Once that 5th person hits submit, the form shuts down automatically And there you have it, a fully automated smart registration system. You have learned validation, logic, quizzes, and add-ons. If you followed along, you are now in the top 10% of Google Forms users. Don't forget to check the description for the basics video if you need a refresher. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. This is Office Craft Pro and I'll see you in the next lesson.